So, dear students, we'll continue with the exercise 13.1 in the sixth question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of the cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. See, there is a capsule. So, there are two hemispheres which are attached to it, and the total length of the capsule is 14 mm. Fine. And what is the diameter of the capsule? It is 5 mm. Okay. Now, so it is a combination of two hemisphere and one cylinder. Okay. So I want to know the height of the cylinder. See, this is diameter. This will be equal to 2.5 centimeter, which is radius. Here also this, see, this diameter is 5 mm. This diameter is 5 mm. So what is the radius? Radius will be 5 mm. Sorry, radius will be 2.5 mm. Because diameter is 5 mm. If I divide it by 2, I'll get radius. Here also the diameter is 5 mm. What I'll get? I'll get 2.5 mm. Not centimeter, that is mm. So 2.5 here and 2.5 here. If I remove that, what will be the height of the cylinder? This will be 9 mm. 2.5 mm I am going to remove from this end, and 2.5 mm I am going to remove from that end. So what will be the height left here? So that will be 9 mm. Okay, now what we need to find? We need to find the surface area. So what is given? H is 9 mm, R is equal to 2.5 mm. Okay, now so surface area of a capsule is equal to, so curved surface area of the cylinder, this curved surface area of the cylinder, plus curved surface area of the cylinder. And even, see, I don't want inner surface area, I want only outer surface area. Only I want the total surface area. In that, it involves curved surface area of a cylinder and curved surface area of a hemisphere. So curved surface area of two hemispheres. Fine. What is the curved? Say, I'll continue here. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi RH. And what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? That is, for one curved surface it is 2 pi r square. For other curved surface it is 2 pi r square. So put together it is 4 pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square, that is 4 pi r square, is equal to 2 pi r will be common. What is left? H plus r. So 2 into pi, it is not stated, they have not stated the value of pi in the problem. What we need to consider? Pi as 22 by 7. What is r? R is 10 by 2. R is 5 by 2. R is, diameter is 5 mm. So radius will be 5 by 2. What is h here? H is nothing but 9 mm. What is r here? R is 2.5. Though now, so this will be 2r. Since I have taken 2 pi r common, h will be left here. Since 2 2s are 4, 2r will be left. This will be equal to 2 into 2.5. See, since I have taken 2 pi r common, if I take 2 pi r common, h will be left here. 2 2s are 4, 2 will be left here, and r will be left here. So now 2 1s are 2 1s are. So 22 into 5 divided by 7. 22 into 5 divided by 7. 9 plus 2 into 2.5 is nothing but 5. So this will be equal to 22 into 5 divided by 7 into 14. This 7 1s are 7 2s are. So 2 into 5, 10. 22 into 10 is equal to 220 mm square, millimeter square. So the surface area of a capsule is equal to 220 mm square. The surface area of a capsule is equal to 220 mm square. Please note this down. Next, seventh question. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. See, cylinder surmounted by a conical top would be of this shape. See, this is a cylinder. So this cylinder is surmounted by a conical top. Fine. Now, if the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter. So height and diameter of the cylinder are given. Height is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter. Diameter is 4 meter. Okay. And the slant height of the top is 2.8. Slant height means this height. This height is 2.8 meter. Fine. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Find the area of the canvas. They are going to, how we are going to put the tent? We are going to make use of canvas. So, whatever the canvas used for making the tent, we need to find that particular area of the canvas and also find the cost of the canvas for the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Whatever the canvas that they are using. So, the cost of that canvas per meter square is, it is 500. And you know, whenever we put the tent, so we are not going to put the tent at the bottom. Usually we have seen in even the many functions. So we are not going to put the tent at the bottom surface. Already you know why we put the tent, to protect. So to protect whatever there inside from the surrounding end. So what we are going to do? So this part we are not going to cover. So then what will be the surface area? Curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of this cone will give us the surface area of the canvas used. See, now the area of the canvas, see, before that what is given? L is equal to 2.8 meter, R is equal to 2 meter because D is 4 meter. If D is 4 meter, R will be, see, D is 4 meter, then R will be 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 meter. Next, what is the height? Height is 2.1 meter. Now, surface area of a canvas, surface area of a canvas is equal to, so curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a cone. We need not write curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cone. So already A will be included here. Curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cone. Now is equal to, what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? We know that is 2 pi RH. What is the curved surface area of a cone? That is pi RL. Let me adjust the focus. Yes. Now, what is the common? Pi R is the common. Pi R, pi R. So what I can take? 2H. What is left here? L. Fine. 22 by 7. What is R here? R is 2. H is 2.1. What is L? L is 2.8. L is 2.8. So 22 by 7 into 2. 2 into 2.1 is nothing but 4.2 plus 2.8. Okay. 22 by 7 into 2 into 4.2 plus 2.8. 2 plus 8 is 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7. This 7 will get cancelled. So 44 meter square. Surface area of a canvas is 44 meter square. Next, what is next part? We need to calculate the cost of the canvas of the tent. Therefore, the cost of the canvas of the tent at 500 per meter square is equal to 44 multiplied by 500, because per meter square it is 500 rupees. For 44 meter, how much we need to find out? So 4 5 is 20, 2 carry, 4 5 is 20 plus 2, 22. So followed by 2 zeros, that is 22,000 rupees. So the cost of the canvas used for making the tent is 22,000. Okay, so please note this down. So next, 8th question. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Hollowed out means removed. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. To the nearest centimeter square, because area will be expressed in terms of centimeter square. See, there is a solid cylinder. So in this, what they are doing, they are removing the area in the form of conical cavity. So this much area is carved out or removed. Okay, now you need to find the surface area of the, surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid means, so what does it include? It includes curved surface area of the cylinder and the bottom surface area, curved surface area of the cylinder, bottom surface area of the cylinder. See, if I remove this, see, up to this point I am going to remove, but base area will be there. This curved surface area plus base area plus inner curved surface area of the cone. Okay, if you find that, because this will be hollow, only I need curved surface area of the cone. That will give me the remaining surface area of the solid. Okay. Now, height is 2.4 centimeter. Height is 2.4 centimeter. And what is the diameter? Diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Diameter is 1.4 centimeter. So D is equal to 1.4 centimeter, whereas R is equal to 0.7 centimeter. 1.4 divided by 2 will get 0.7 centimeter, and height is 2.4 centimeter. But for finding the lateral surface area of the cone, what we need? We need a slant height. How we are going to find slant height? This h square plus r square will give me the square root of h square plus r square will give me the slant height. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. So what is r? R is 0.7 whole square plus h is 2.4 whole square. 0.7 square means 7 square, that is 49, that is 4.1. Is it 4.1? No. See, 0.7 into 0.7, this is 49 if you say. After 2 decimal, so see, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 0.49, 0.49 plus 2.4. 2.4 means 2.4 whole square means, see, 24 square is 576. Decimal after 2 digits, see, 1, 2, 5.76. If we add this, 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So after, see, after decimal 2 digits are there, after decimal 2 digits are there, 6.25. So what is the square root of 6.625? That is 2.5. So 25, so that is 2.5 centimeter. Now, So after this, what we need to do? We need to find the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus bottom surface area of the cylinder, bottom surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area of the cone. So curved surface area of the cylinder, bottom surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cone. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi r h. What is the bottom surface area of the cylinder? This is pi r square plus. What is curved surface area of the cone? That is pi r l. That's it. Now, what is common across? Pi r is common everywhere. I'll take out pi r. What is left here? 2h. If I remove pi r, 1 r will be left here. If I remove pi r, L will be left here. I am going to continue here. So pi r is nothing but 22 by 7. What is r? 1.4 is the diameter. 1.4 by 2 is nothing but 0.7. 2h. 2 into h is 2.4 plus r. What is r here? That is 0.7 plus L. What is L here? L is 2.5. 7 1 is 7.1. That is 2.2 into 2 into 2.4, 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. We'll add them. 2.2 into 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. 0, carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8.0. Okay. Now, 8 2s are 16, carry 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. That is 17.6 centimeter square. They said nearest centimeter square, that is 18 centimeter square. So the remaining solid, total surface area of the remaining solid, is equal to, total surface area of the remaining solid is equal to 18 centimeter square. So please note this down. So 9th question is very much similar to the 8th question. This will be a homework. This concludes exercise 13.1. In the next class, we will go to exercise 13.2, which will be based on the volume of the cylinder, combination of the volume of the cylinder. Thank you.